Okay, the other thing that they added is collapse rows, and that it actually collapses effectively. So when we have collapse rows, it just goes way down. So if I say collapse rows and remove category, right, it makes it significantly smaller than what we were used to seeing before. This is done based off of a header item, right, and sub items. So you can see this bath and vanity fixtures. If I go look at my items list for, oops, I went to chart accounts. My items list for bath and vanity fixtures is a header item and a sub item, right? And then these are put into categories. So it's, again, just more ways to segment your data. If we do not know how to utilize this effectively, definitely give us a call and let us know. We can help you to figure out how to utilize these things effectively so that you can get better information to make decisions in your business, right? That's what all of these things are for. Not to overcomplicate, it's so that you can segment things out and make sure that you have data to make good decisions.